Yes, guys, I'm back again. Yeah, pertaining to Donna British being threatened. And she went and she report this mass man. Said, I saw someone comment in my comment section. Gloria, joyful lifestyle. And when I read her comment, and I'm saying to myself, why would Donna British come out and make up a story like that? That she have been threatened. Nobody's gonna take that lightly. Nobody. You think that Donna British TV is gonna come on the YouTube streets and tell that lie after she built her YouTube channel roughly about 3 to 4 years? She's gonna jeopardize her YouTube channel for clicks, for likes, just for a couple days. No, I don't think she would go down that road. Mm-mm. Said, guys, we are living in the end times. People can do anything, no matter where you live. People can do anything. Because I saw this guy, this racist white guy, come out because of Nolan Wells. He came out. Everybody's supposed to know about Nolan Wells' case, that he went out with his white friends, and he was the only one that never came home back alive. Yes, guys. Said when that white guy, the racist one, he came out and he give him 2 cents, and guess what? Viewers track him down. Content creator track him down. Find his job, where he works. Find where he lives. And right now, he's out of a job. Right now, his ex-wife don't even trust him around her kids. Say, me, I tell you, say, people can track you down anywhere you is. People can hurt you. Because I remember this rapper, his name was Pop Smoke. And he was doing a video, guys. And he was showing money in the video. But while he was in the video, they saw his address, where he lived. And they come and they take him out and take that money. So when somebody threatens you, people can't find you anywhere in the world. Look at Nolan Wells' mom. People have been threatening her family. Where she run her business, going on her website and threatening her. So you're gonna tell me no, Gloria said Donna British must take that lightly? Yes. So when Donna British say yes, she went and report that mass man. Who would go and report? Gloria need to wake up, You're an ex-soldier. Anything can reach you. Look at Jamaica. People threaten you and they go and take you out. We are living in people just come and take you out, no matter where you're there. So you're gonna tell me, say, she must not come out and talk her mind. She must keep it hush, 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 hush. I saw a lot of reactors from America came out and speaking on behalf of Nolan Wells' case. We was taken out because we as reactors, we think deep. We do our research. Because I did a couple of videos speaking about Nolan Wells. I am a mom. And they are, those same American reactors, they threaten them that they're going to throw a lawsuit on them. So who is not going to take? Yes. And a couple of them have to take down their videos. So who is going to create their YouTube channel and come and tell lies? No one. Nobody's not going to take certain things lightly. They talk a lot of things about Nolan. Well, mom, oh, she's grifting. When you lost your child just like that, have been taken out at age 18. You think it's easy? And then cyberbullying. Is the same thing happening to Donna British? Cyberbullying. Telling her that they can find her anywhere where she live. She's gonna say, yes, she must take that lightly. Nobody. Not even me would take that lightly. Because people is so evilous. People is evilous. Look at Sheridan. Look at Sheridan. They are going out. Yeah, they are threatening him to bring out his files. Yes. As he get that breakthrough, they are threatening to bring out his files. Look at Oliver and Filthy. You see one Gloria. You pay somebody to investigate, to dig up Oliver and Filthy files. So I'm glad you find me. I'm glad you find me. So when me attack my mind, I just talk my mind. So everybody have to take, yeah man, you can't lie down and take threat lightly. No matter where no matter where you are in the world. Say, Miss Gloria, I speak Patois, I speak a little Spanish, I speak English. I might not go to university and college, but I am damn intelligent and I can read between the lines. I know that a British not going to come out and accusing someone of threatening her. Why would she go down that road? You think it easy to build a YouTube channel and then you come and telling lies? And then somebody find out that you're lying? I don't think that a British will go down that road. And much less coming out crying in her video. Yes, man, nobody not gonna, no. We have to take things serious. We are living in these last days. And I saw this man call himself Officer Tancham. He came out and he was accusing Nolan Wells of taking drugs. Can you believe that? A reactor doing that? He's a black guy. It's not easy. Somebody coming here accusing you. Just like how Gloria come out now, you're accusing Donna British like she's lying. Nobody's lying. No matter where you are in the world, somebody can threaten you. They can harm you. We are living in a digital world now. So Gloria, you need to get your facts straight. I don't know where you get for your information from. Say Donna British is lying. I don't know where you get for your facts from. She see what she see on her phone. And then she go and report. Are you gonna lie down and let somebody just come and just harm you? No. We only live once. I said it in my video this morning, we only live once. Say nobody's not gonna take any threat lightly. We are seated in Jamaica. A matter of fact, you're a Jamaican, Gloria. So you know Jamaica run. And nobody believes it because you live overseas. Things cannot reach any one of us. I see even J Progress make a video pertaining to Vice Cartel and they are threatening him. I don't know if J Progress go and report whosoever threatening him. I don't know if he do it. But they are always threatening J Progress because he's a reactor. But some people get up in them feelings. Yes. So it seems as if you, Gloria, get up in your feelings. But I hope you would see this video here. Because it seems like if you're as if you're living in the 1400. No, it's 2026. Yeah. So if somebody threaten you, you have to go and report them. Once from you get certain lead, and you can call certain people name, and you have your screenshot them, go and report them. Because this guy, this masked man, I tell Donna British said, he have been watching her on her live streaming. So why don't you want her to go and report? So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Let's have a wonderful night. Bye.